Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Credit Karma for identity protection during filing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to the Credit Karma website at www.creditkarma.com. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You'll see a registration form requesting some personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address. Create a strong password that meets the specified security criteria. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click the Continue button to move to the next step. Now, provide your personal details including your social security number and date of birth. This information is crucial for identity verification. Next, enter your mailing address. Once you've filled in all required fields, click Continue again. You may be asked to verify your identity through a series of security questions. Answer these questions accurately to proceed. Once your identity is verified, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for this confirmation and follow the link provided to verify your email. Return to the Credit Karma website and log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, navigate to the Identity Protection section. Here, you'll find features designed to help monitor your identity. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these tools. Ensure you set up alerts to receive notifications of any suspicious activity. Congratulations, you are now registered with Credit Karma for identity protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.